We're reviewing the Oppo a74 5G, a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that promises solid performance and great features for its price. Design and build. The Oppo a74 5G features a sleek, modern look with a glossy finish that reflects light beautifully. The back has a gradient design that catches your eye without being too flashy. It's lightweight, weighing just 190 grams, and has a slim profile, making it comfortable to hold and use for long periods. Display. The Oppo a74 5G sports a 6.49-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel. The colors are vibrant, and the sharpness is decent, especially for the price point. One of the standout features here is the 90Hz refresh rate. Performance. The Oppo a74 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 485G chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Performance here is solid for the price. Multitasking is smooth, and apps launch without any noticeable lag. Camera. The Oppo a74 5G features a triple camera system, a 48MP primary sensor, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. The primary camera captures good detail and decent colors in well-lit environments, but it can struggle a bit in low light with some noise. Battery life. The Oppo a74 5G houses a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts through a full day of regular use, even with 5G enabled. Plus, it supports 18 watts fast charging, so you won't be waiting long to top up. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable 5G phone, so this phone will nice. Thank you so much.